It's June 9th. Yeah, June 19th. June 19th. He brought to you by the King Side. This is peanut butter. Alright, we have a fight going on here. You boys want to bring it up? Alright, welcome in. Early Bird special, and then we'll wrap it up. Hope everyone is doing fabulous here on this Monday. Take out the leg. Marvelous Monday here at the Universe. Take out the legs.
This guy. Don't want him to be. But I'll be disqualified.
Out of commission. Alright, Pringles. Time for Dinah Girl to look in and see what Brammer's doing. How was the weekend?
It was pretty fabulous, It was spent nice and quiet, peaceful, no bullshit.
That's what I figured. Anyways, any idea what we're supposed to do now?
As far as finding the truth, yeah, people don't want to know the truth. They want lies.
Yeah, I kind of see that. Anyway, God. Something is really happening here. I don't know. I mean, forget whatever all these people are saying. But something is really happening. I don't know what it is. It's just like we're just watching every day the more separation. Like, just bizarre. It's almost like there's a script handed to us. And by the way, West Point Radio, this is all scripted, by the way. Just, I mean, I already looked at like what we're going to be doing next week. And that will be pre-Buddha week. Pre-Buddha, an exclusive special. We're going to look at that. That'll be next week. That's on the 26th, I think it's Educated Guess here. That should be Monday, right? Alright, and we'll do that, pre-warm-up to the finale. Well, not the finale, but the big show. Yeah, that's August 13th. That's huge. Where everyone will be there. It's just, it's everything. Anyways, should be enough show for you right now. Alright, we'll be back, all you teeny bop